Let's start. Today we will see how to use the GetX package to transfer data between two pages in Flutter Android. First, we need to add the GetX package to our app. For that, click this terminal icon here. Write this command, and press enter. Wait for the operation to be complete. Once you see change dependency written like this, that means the package has been integrated. Let's see the project structure. In the libs folder, we have two Dart files. main.dart and secondpage.dart. Let's see the main.dart file. First, we import these Dart packages. Then, we create the stateless widget called MyApp in the main function. This is the MyApp stateless widget. We create a getMaterial app and apply a theme in the build function. This is an important step. Normally, we create a material app, but here, we are creating a getMaterial app, because we are using the GetX package. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called MyHomePage. This is the MyHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _MyHomePageState. This is _MyHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The appBar attribute is set to the appBar widget. We have used the title variable as the title of this appBar. The body attribute is set to the center widget. Inside that, we have an elevated button. When the button is clicked, we call the get.put function. Then we put some data in it. I'm putting a string data.it.wala in it. And then, we call the get.to function, where we navigate to the second page. Let's see the second page now. First, we import these Dart packages. This is the second page stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _secondPageState. This is _secondPageState class. Here we will design our second page. First of all, we have a string variable. In the init function, we call the get.find function. This function will retrieve the data that we had passed on the main page. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget upon which we will build other widgets. The appBar attribute is set to the appBar widget. The body attribute is set to the center widget. Inside that, we have a text widget. The result variable is set as the text. So in short, whatever data is passed from the main page, gets collected in the init function of this second page. That data is stored in this result variable. And that result variable will shown in this text widget. Let's run the app. As you can see, I had passed words it.wala from the main page, and those words got retrieved on the second page and are shown on the screen. So that's it. That's how you can use the GetX package to transfer data between pages in Flutter Android. Thank you.